examples on definite integral by using trigonometric identities. Let us see some examples. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x into sin 2x dx. Here we have to evaluate this integral. In this integral there is sin x into sin 2x. This is the function. Now we have to use here trigonometric identities. Solution: let I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x into sin 2x dx. Or we can write this is 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2. We can write here 2, this 1 by 2 and 2 sin 2x into sin x dx. Now using the formula, since 2 sin A sin B is equals to cos of A minus B to cos of A plus B. Therefore, this I becomes 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2. For this, now 2x, let us suppose A, x, let us suppose B. Using this formula, this will give us cos of A minus B, that is 2x minus x plus, minus cos of A plus B, that is 2x plus x into dx. This is equals to 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, cos of 2x minus x, it is cos x, minus cos of 2x plus x, it is cos 3x into dx. Now integrating this, integration of cos x, it is sin x minus integration of cos 3x is sin 3x divided by 3. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Now I is equals to 1 by 2. Now substituting here limit pi by 2, upper limit, that is sin pi by 2 minus sin 3 pi by 2 upon 3 in first bracket. Now lower limit minus sin 0 minus sin 0 by 3, bracket closed. Now this is equals to 1 by 2. Now value of sin pi by 2, it is 1 minus sin 3 pi by 2. Value of sin 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1 upon 3 minus sin 0, 0, that is, it is again 0. This will give us 1 by 2, 1 minus minus plus 1 by 3. This is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Now here is denominator 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. Cancelling this 2 with this 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, that is 1 into 2 by 3. Therefore, I is equals to 2 by 3. This is the final answer, or this is a real number, which is the value of this integration. Okay, now we will see Second example, integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos of 2x dx. Solution for this: let I is equals to, now here is sin x into cos of 2x. That is, we have to use 2 sin a cos a formula. For that, we adjust here 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2, 2 sin x into cos of 2x dx. This is equals to 1 by 2 as it is, sorry, or we using this formula, 2 sin a cos a is equals to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sorry, sin a cos b. This is equals to, therefore I becomes integration from 1 by 2 into integration 0 to pi by 2. Here this is a and this is b, 2x. That is, put here x is equals to a and 2x is equals to b. Sin a plus b, that is sin of x plus 2x, it is 3x, plus sin of x minus 2x, it is minus x into dx. This is equals to 1/2 0 to pi by 2 into sin 3x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x dx. And it, since sin minus theta equals to minus of sin theta, therefore this is equals to 1 by 2. Now integrating this, integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3 minus integration of sin x is minus sin x, sorry, minus cos x divided by 1, 0 to pi by 2. This is equals to 1 by 2, taking minus common sign, cos 3x upon 3 minus cos x, 0 to pi by 2. Now substituting limit here, that is upper limit is pi by 2 and lower limit is 0. Therefore I becomes cos x is equals to pi by 2 gives cos 3 pi by 2 upon 3 minus cos pi by 2. Substituting lower limit, minus cos 0 upon 3 minus cos 0. This is equals to, now value of cos 3 pi by 2, it is 0 by 3 minus value of cos pi by 2 is also 0 minus value of cos 0 is 1, that is 1 by 3 minus 1. This is nothing but, this becomes 0, this is 0, minus, sorry, here is minus half that is minus of 1 minus 3 upon 3. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3. Minus minus gets plus, 3 times minus, it is minus, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, it is 1 by 3. This is nothing but I. Okay? Take down next example. Integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin square x upon 1 plus cos x bracket square into dx. Let I is equals to this. Now here we use two formulae, that is sin x is equals to, that is we can call half angle formulae, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and for 1 plus cos x it is a 2 cos square x by 2. Therefore consider this sin square x upon 1 plus cos x bracket square is equals to, this value of sin x is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 bracket square divided by value of 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 bracket square. This is nothing but, that is squaring this, 2 square is 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2 divided by 4 cos square x by 2 into cos square x by 2. This cos square x by 2 gets cancelled from numerator and denominator. This 4 gets cancelled. Now this is nothing but sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2. And this is nothing but tan square x by 2. Therefore, again this tan can be converted in terms of cosec. Therefore, it is equals to, or I becomes integration 0 to pi by 2. Now substituting value of this, it is tan square x by 2 into dx. This is equals to, now since tan square x by 2 is equals to sec square x by 2 minus 1. Substituting this value 0 to pi by 2 into value of tan square x by 2 is sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now we can integrate this, is equals to integration of sec is tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus integration of 1 is x, lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Now this is equals to, that is 1 by 2, it becomes 2 tan x by 2 minus x, integration चे लिमिट्स आहेत 0 to pi by 2. Now substituting here limit, this is equals to 2 into tan pi by 2, value of x is pi by 2, therefore x by 2 is pi by 4, hence tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 2. Lower limit is minus 2 tan 0 minus 0, this is equals to 2 tan pi by 4 ची व्हॅल्यू येईल 2 into 1 minus pi by 2, this minus 2 tan is 0 and this is nothing but 2 minus pi by 2, or we can write this is 2 to the 4, that is 4 minus pi upon 2, this is I. In this way we can evaluate using trigonometric identities or trigonometric formulas Take down next example. It's integration from 0 to 5 by 4 sec square x plus cos 2x dx. Now again let I is equals to this is equals to, now this sec square we can directly integrate this cos of 2x, we can find integration this. Therefore integration of sec square x, it is tan x, and integration of cos 2x, it is sin 2x by 2. Limits are 0 to pi by 4. Therefore this is equals to, substituting upper limit tan pi by 4 plus sin x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण pi by 4 ठेवतोय, 2x ची व्हॅल्यू येईल, that is sin pi by 2 upon 2 minus lower limit tan of 0 plus sin 0 upon 2. This is equals to tan pi by 4, value of tan pi by 4 is 1 plus value of sin pi by 2 is 1 divided by 2 minus value of tan 0 is 0 and value of sin 0 is also 0. Therefore this will become 1 plus 1 by 2, it is 3 by 2, and hence I is equals to 3 by 2. Now we'll see next example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 x square minus 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. Let I is equals to this is equals to integration from 0 to 1. Now we can here denominator is x square plus 1. Therefore we can write here x square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. And we are adjusting here plus 1 minus 1. Therefore, divided by x square plus 1 into dx. This is equals to integration from 0 to 1. This x square plus 1 by x square plus 1, it is 1 minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. This is equals to, now integrating this one with respect to x, it is x, or we can write 0 to 1 dx minus 0 to 1, just taking 3 out of the integral, 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Now since integration dx upon x square plus 1, it is tan inverse x plus c, but this plus c, we give this c in indefinite integral, but indefinite integral need not be taken this plus c. Now this is equals to x 0 to 1 minus 3 into tan inverse x 0 to 1. This is equals to, substituting upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0 minus 3 into tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. This is equals to 1 minus 3 into tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Therefore, this is 1 minus 3 into pi, that is 3 pi by 4. This is the answer. Okay. Now take down next example. Integration from minus 2 to plus 1 dx upon x square plus 4x plus 3. Now there, this is a quadratic equation in denominator, x square plus 4x plus 3. Now we have to convert this denominator into whole square. For this, we can rewrite this minus 2 to 1 dx upon x square plus 4x plus. Now we have to add here, that is this adding term, to 1 by 2 into coefficient of x bracket square. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into 4 bracket square. This becomes 2 square is equals to 4. Therefore we can take here plus 4 plus 3 minus 4. That is, we have adjusted plus 4 minus 4. This will become integration from minus 2 to 1 dx upon, for this we can take here square root of x, x square is x, plus sign from this, and square root of 4 is 2, and take square of bracket, take down. Now how it comes, first term square x square, product of these two, 2x, twice that 4x, and square of second term is 4. Now 3 minus 4, it becomes minus 1. This is equals to minus 2 to 1 dx upon x plus 2 bracket square minus 1 square. Now using here the formula, integration dx upon x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Therefore, this is equals to 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1 log of x, that is x is x plus 2, minus a means minus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus a means plus 1. Limits are minus 2 to plus 1. Therefore, this is equals to I is equals to 1 by 2 into substituting upper limit log of, or this is nothing but log of 2 minus 1 is x plus 1 divided by x plus 3, limits are minus 2 to plus 1. This is equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Now upper limit is log of 1 plus 1, that is 2 divided by 1 plus 3 is 4, minus lower limit is log of modulus x ची व्हॅल्यू मायनस 2 पुट केली तर minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon plus 1, and this is nothing but 1 by 2 log of 1 by 2 minus log of 1, and that is 1 by 2 log of 1 by 2. Log of 1 is 0, and hence I is equals to half log of 1 by 2. Let me take next example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 2 dx upon under root of 4 minus x square. Now this is 4 minus x square. This function is of the type a square minus x square. Now again let I is equals to this. No, this can be rewritten as 0 to 2 dx divided by under root of 2 square minus x square. Now using the formula, it is integration dx upon under root of a square minus x square is equals to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Using this formula, I gives, that is integration of this dx upon under roots 2 square minus x square becomes sine inverse of x by 2. The limits are 0 to 2. Now this is equals to substituting upper limit sine inverse of x value 2 put get the 2 by 2 is 1 minus lower limit is minus sine inverse of value of x is equals to 0 put के लिए तर 0 by 2 it is nothing but 0 and this is sine inverse 1 that is value of sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 sine inverse 0 is value 0 therefore I is equals to pi by 2. This is the final answer. Now let us take next example. Integration or evaluate dx upon under root of 3 plus 2x minus x square. Again let I is equals to this. Oh, this is equals to, again we have to convert this, limits are 0 to 1 dx by under root of, now this can be written as 3 taking minus common from these two terms, that is x square minus 2x. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to 1 dx by under root of, taking here 3 plus 1 minus 1, that is x square minus 2x plus 1. That is we have here plus 1 plus into minus, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. It is adjusted here, that is 0 to 1 dx upon under root of 4 minus this x, this is nothing but expansion of x minus 1 bracket square, that is x square 2x minus twice of this is minus 2x and square of 1 is 1. Now this is equals to integration from 0 to 1 dx by under root of 2 square minus x minus 1 square. Now this becomes I is equals to integration, or using here the formula integration dx divided by a square minus x square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of modulus x square minus a square. A minus x upon a plus x plus c. Therefore this will become I is equals to integration or 1 upon 2a, that is a 2 into 2 log of minus 6 पॉज करता हूँ ते बटन दाखव बटन हां चलो dx by under root a square minus x square, it is sine inverse x by a plus c. This is equals, therefore I becomes integration from 0 to 1, or taking integration of this sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2, limits are 0 to 1. This is equals to upper limit is 1, sine inverse of 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 2, minus sine inverse of value of x is 0 minus 1 by 2. This is equals to sine inverse 0 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but sine inverse 0 is 0 minus, that is sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 2, and this is nothing but minus minus plus pi by 2. Evaluate integration from 1 to 2 dx by x square plus 6x plus 5. Let I is equals to this. This is equals to integration from 1 to 2 dx by x square plus 6x. Now half of this 6 is 3, taking square of 3, that is plus 9 plus 5 minus 9. We are adjusting here plus 9. We taking this form, that is the coefficient of x is 6, half of that is 3, 3 square is 9, plus 9 minus 9. Therefore this becomes 1 to 2 dx x square plus 6x plus 9. We can write here x plus 3 bracket square, that is square root of this x plus sign, and square root of 9 is 3. Now 5 minus 9, it is minus 4, and this is equals to, now this is dx upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 4. We can rewrite, that is 1 to 2 dx upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 2 square. Now using here formula, integration dx upon x square minus a square is equals to 1 by 2 log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Hence I becomes, therefore 1 by 2a, that is 2 into 2 log of x, that is value of x is here x plus 3, minus a means minus 2, divided by x plus 3 plus a means plus 2, bracket close, limits are 1 to 2. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1 by 4, taking out of the bracket, log of x plus 3 minus 2, it is x plus 1, and this x plus 3 plus 2, it is divided by x plus 5, bracket close, limits are 1 to 2, 1 by 4 as it is, into substituting upper limit, value of x is equals to d, log of x, that is 2 plus 1, 3, divided by 2 plus 5 is 7, minus lower limit, log of, put here value of x is 1, that is log of 1 plus 1, 2, divided by 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Bracket complete. This is equals to 1 by 4 into log of 3 by 7 minus log of, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 by 3, and this is nothing but 1 by 4 log of 3 by 7 divided by 1 by 3, and this is equals to 1 by 4 log of 3 by 7 into 3 by 1, it is 1 by 4 log of 9 by 7. This is the final answer.